Hi, welcome to Butterfly Cottage. Today I'm going to be making a quick and easy last minute gravy. In goes the oil, a little bit of oil. I'm going to fry a medium onion. I'm going to fry the onion until it's translucent. Now I'm going to add a couple of dessert spoons of flour. And then add a little bit of water, a little bit more. Just keep stirring that flour in. And get rid of any lumps. I'm just going to add as much water as I see fit for the amount of gravy that I want. It's probably about, I don't know, 500–600 ml. I'm using these sort of stock cubes, beef flavour. Sprinkle them in. You can use other stock cubes, you could use chicken, vegetable, whatever you want. Mushroom flavour. Never tried that, might be nice. You could add in a little bit of Marmite if you wanted it a little bit darker. In fact, I'm going to do that. I think it goes about a teaspoon of Marmite. And then I'm just going to simmer that away. And it should thicken as it comes towards boiling. Now I'm going to do a quick taste test. Because them stock cubes have a little bit of salt in them, so you need to make sure. That tastes lovely already. I'm going to put a little bit more salt in, and I'm definitely going to put some pepper in, because we all love pepper. I'd say about half a teaspoon. It's starting to come up to temperature now, so it should thicken soon. See when it thickens. Right, it's up to temperature. I'm just going to let that sit now and let them onions soften even more. Probably do that for 15–20 minutes. It's thickened up a little bit. If you want a even thicker gravy, then just add more flour. I don't like it too thick myself. That'll be just nice, poured over some nice top side of beef or something. Right, it's ready now. I'm going to now transfer it to a gravy boat. And there we go. It's a nice onion gravy to go with some pork that I cooked earlier. I'm just going to go in all over it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling.